Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can give access for managed Hostinger account. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. So log into your Hostinger H panel and go to the top right corner at your account. Click on your account and go to the account sharing. Here you will see a request access button or grant access button. Click on grant access button, click again on this grant access, enter your email, and here you will need to select permission roles. It is admin or this one. So select for your needs. So for now I need an admin, and for managed services you want to select the domain or web hosting, or you can select all. So I will select only this one and I will click grant access. So as you can see, access email has been sent. So if I go to the email and I will see this message, as you can see, it should come up. As you can see, hosting error, and we have only 48 hours to accept invitation. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.